good morning. Kami baby Aida. I just finished our prayer subuh today. Look at this. This is where my mukana. Today I wanna go with my friend to doing something. We have something to do. Like we don't have holiday today, so we wanna go prepare going something to do again. So busy right now. My gosh. But I feel like so sleepy. So sleepy. I'm so really sleepy. That this my cat is going wake up so early morning. Oh my gosh, he's look like so attractive like morning. Where are you going? Where are you going? Where? For today we wanna go. It's not going campus, but we have a activity for today. So we really busy. Oh my gosh, you're really busy. Last night, early to sleep, cause so tired. After I make a vlog and then I'm going to sleep until maybe 10 10 a.m. maybe. Oh my gosh. Maybe we wanna uh, for paper for this doing activity like we was going together. I don't know start from what, but we really need to going together. My gosh, maybe I wanna go into I don't like I wanna go to take a bath first so I can going early. Maybe guys, I wanna uh, talk about sleep paralysis. Sleep paralysis, like you can breathe, you can open your eyes, it's like you ngep, like you freeze, like it's very scary at night when you are asleep, but your mind is still not asleep, right? Yeah. And then you really didn't wake up, like you can't wake up, like open your eyes first, and then you can breathe after this. Really don't breathe, because if you sleep paralysis, like you can't control yourself, like every day. Yeah. uh no, I'm really every day to feel sleep paralysis in the night. I don't know why, because I'm tired or what, I don't know, but I'm so scared now. Feel sleep paralysis. Sometimes it's so annoying because I wanna go sleep, but I can't go sleep because this. So it's really annoying for me. Oh my gosh. And then, yeah, sleep paralysis, you wake up, but it's just your mind, like you're thinking about you. Can wake up, but you don't wake up until you're tired. You're my friend, you're Philippine. So she's look like me, have a sleep paralysis, like every month. Every month she's find her sleep paralysis. That that's why is she's every day when she's find her sleep paralysis, and then she's going to tell me, and then what is uh, ask me for the solution this, but I don't know either the solution for the sleep paralysis. I really don't know about sleep paralysis. That's why I feel like really confused with my friend uh, have this sleep paralysis. Oh my gosh, I feel so confused. Maybe I wanna go to take a bath first. or I wanna make this finish until 15 minutes. So the conclusion is the most scared about sleep is sleep paralysis. I'm never wanted again to sleep paralysis, but sometimes I don't think about this, and then I'm fine in my own to sleep this sleep paralysis again. That's why I feel like so scared. What the hell? This is making like can sleep well. Yeah, guys, I'm so sorry if you ask me why again to speak randomly. Yeah, I guess I'm so really like to speak random, even this sleep about sleep. I can to tell you about this from my experience, but I can spell for you what is sleep paralysis. Sometimes it's not sleep paralysis. Maybe I can see the difference of the sleep. The old story sleep paralysis this is from ghost. Yeah, so many older people say because you can breathe because of gosh, but I don't know the truth. Yeah, everyone say that. Like, what? It's not make sense from gosh. What? Like, we can be like this. But some people say this is from your mind. Really wanted to wake up, but you can wake up. Like, just your body. No. I mean, like, your mind is wake up, but your body is still sleeping. Yes, the two type of this information from people. Maybe the one from older people like parent or someone else, and the two type from Gen Z. Say this is from your mind is still, and no, from your mind is wanna wake up and your body still sleeping. Maybe it makes sense, but I don't know. Again, I can see the proof from this um opinion. I'm really not. I really can't see if I'm not find the proof, because everything in the world is really need to prove about sense. Done. Yeah, this is just for sleep paralysis. I just explained the small uh, short story because my experience to sleep again sleep paralysis fine. It's not every day, but some when I'm not really thinking about this and I'm fine. Suddenly, it's make me feel like so uh shocked. Yeah, I feel like so shocked. Okay, guys, I just want to close again. I just want to close again this video because I'm so busy. Bye bye. I want to go with my friends.